Growing up in my household, my mom refused to allow any of my siblings, as well as myself, to process my hair, so I was natural. At the end of last year, I made a dream board, and one of the things on the board was to start my lock journey for my birthday. This is one of those things that I really wanted for quite some time now. My name is Kamalya. I am from Brooklyn, and today I will begin Starter Locks. Locks in general, they're a beautiful thing. I've always admired the look. My junior year, I permed my hair, which was a very awful decision because my mom refused to allow me to get locks. I decided that once I left high school that I'll lock my hair. 2007, once I graduated high school, I had locks up until 2019. I chopped them off as a result of being hospitalized in 2018 due to some head trauma that I had. That resulted in half of my hair being chopped off. So as opposed to rocking it with half hair, I just decided to chop it all off. It's about 3 years into the big chop. I am excited. So now I'm here today, starting the journey again.
Hey, Kamalya, how you doing
Hello,
today?
how are you? How are you?
All right, just take a seat right here. We can get on the road.
I'm Nia The Loc God, owner and founder of the Loc God Corporation and the Loc God Salon. I'm mostly known for being Derrick Rose's official hairstylist. I'm also the official hairstylist of Miguel Castro, also Sylvan Landisberg.
All right, what are we doing for you today?
We are doing starter locks.
I started doing hair at my aunt's salon for a little bit of extra cash when I was 17 years old, and then I put it on social media and it became something bigger. The products that I use, of course, are my own. I started my locks when I was 10 years old. I'm now 21, so I've had my locks for 11 years. I've cut them, dyed them, all kinds of things, but here I am now.
Don't be timid, girl. Get in there.
I am, don't worry. Don't worry. My favorite thing about doing hair is putting smiles on people's faces. We are going to first wash our hair with the Loc God conditioner and shampoo together.
Your hair feels nice.
Thank you.
Shampoo first, of course.
After that, we're going to dry it off. Then we're going to bring her to the chair. We're going to look at the hair. We're going to spray it down with our mist just to make it more moisturized and give it a little bit more slip. Even though we offer a few different ways to start locks, today we're going to be doing comb coils. We're going to use a comb and part it out into triangle parts. And row by row, we're going to do that. This process today should take around 3 hours. Make sure she goes in the dryer. She's gonna sit in the dryer for about 20 minutes. Do you want to style?
I do.
What did you want?
Something up into this side.
After she dries, style it, twist it down. Add jewelry. All done. Okay, I just finished the style. Adding the jewels. How do you like it?
I love it. 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 I love the jewels. Love the updo. Love it. Love it.
Thank you. Kamalya's hair came out fantastic. The parts are dope. The style looks amazing. The jewels, everything. It's just absolute excellence, perfection. The locks are gonna be beautiful. In about 2 weeks, you wanna take the style out. Make sure you're wrapping your head every single night. Use the products.
Okay.
And come back in 4 to 6 weeks for your next retwist.
I'm ecstatic to, rejourney, this lock thing. So that's just really it.